All right, guys, post-inspections, there's probably going to be some things that you need to see addressed in order to move forward with the purchase. We're going to negotiate some repairs here. In Tennessee, this is called the resolution period. If you hired a good inspector, and if you're working with us, you definitely did, there are going to be some things uncovered in that process that don't function properly. Some material defects that need to be rendered functional in order for us to feel comfortable moving forward. So sometimes people have a tendency to want to relitigate the whole contract, and that's not what we're doing here. Understand, the seller doesn't have to fix anything. In fact, they don't even have to render the property up to code enforcement standards. That's a surprise to a lot of people. So as we go to request repairs, let's really major on the major here. Focus only on the things that if they aren't fixed or us compensated to fix them once we own the property, then we're not going to move forward with this process, plain and simple. Negotiating repairs can be pretty stressful, but if you're working with a great agent, then they're going to help you see the forest for the trees in this process and get you through to the next side.